everyone. Welcome to Trippin with Silver Daddy. This place behind me is really special. I bet you can never guess where I'm at. I'll tell you this much. I'm in Corbin, Kentucky. Does that give it away? Well, let me just tell you. I'm at the original home of the Kentucky Fried Chicken. Yes, the original. This was the first place Colonel Sanders had his restaurant. And it was in a gas station. He perfected his 11 herbs and spices in a gas station cooking for truckers on this road. And there's the old gas pumps even. This is Sanders Cafe. This is where he opened his first restaurant. Now, Colonel Sanders was born back in 1890. Yeah, a long time ago. And he had a really rough childhood. He did a lot of things. He worked on farms, he worked on the railroad, did a lot of different things. But then in 1906, he decided he was going to enlist into the military. So he faked his date of birth so he could get in. And he actually served in the military in Cuba. After the military, he came here to Corbin, Kentucky, and this is where he actually started his first restaurant. It became very famous. So famous that the governor of Kentucky actually gave him an honorary title as colonel. So he really was a colonel, but not the military type, an honorary colonel. He's also the most famous Kentucky citizen. Unfortunately, Colonel Sanders died in 1980. He had a very long life. Was very known for a lot of things, especially his white suit and black little kind of bow tie type thing, string tie. But he was also really good with helping many charities throughout Kentucky and the world. Did you know Kentucky Fried Chicken is one of the world's largest fast food chains? There's over 23,000 locations in over 140 different cities. Yeah, he's done quite well for himself. But then in 1990, 10 years after he died, they actually decided to change the name of Kentucky Fried Chicken to KFC. So it's now officially known as KFC. You know, this is a really cool place. Inside is a restaurant, a KFC restaurant, but it's also a museum. They have a lot of different things that was from Colonel Sanders' life and what, he's known for. Everything from like his old kitchen. And I was in there and I took photos. I'll put photos up too on my Instagram, Trippin with Silver Daddy. There's a metal can of Husman potato chips. And if you're from Cincinnati, you know Husman's potato chips. Hey, this was a surprise to stop here. I'm so glad I did. I'm at Colonel Sanders' original place. Hey, you have a great day. Get a bucket of chicken and enjoy life. Remember, as always, love, peace, and respect. You've been watching Trippin' with Silver Daddy. Bye.